Right, what is up you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be going over the listening section, and I'll hopefully be able to clear up any confusion that you might have about the listening section. Okay, so the listening excuse me, sorry about that. So the listening section is 40 minutes long. Okay, if you're doing the paper-based version, you have 30 minutes listening, okay, and 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Okay, and just so you guys know, the recording in the listening section is only played once. Okay, that is a deal breaker for a lot of people, so make sure you prepare correctly for this. I'll also have another video later on. How to effectively listen, listen and write and think at the same time. That will be up later, but for now, I just wanted to let you know that the recording is only played once. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, so there are 4 main parts, okay? You'll hear 4 recordings, okay? The first one is going to be a simple conversation between 2 people, maybe a lady calling to get food or calling to buy a new car, for example, something like that. 2 is going to be a speech or talk, one person, okay? So 1 will be 2 people basically socializing or talking. 2 will be 1 person talking normally as well, using everyday English. 3 is actually going to be a whole conversation between, 3 to 4 people, okay? So think something like an interview, for example, where there are multiple parties talking, maybe cutting each other out when talking. So you're gonna have to prepare. Just so you guys know, it gets harder the more you go on, okay? So the first one is the easiest and the 4th one is the hardest, okay? And 4 finally is going to be someone talking or giving a talk about an academic subject. So think lectures. A lot of the 4th recordings are actually lectures from universities around the world around an academic subject, so make sure you prepare for that as well. Okay, what do we have? Yeah, one thing that I wanted to add on is that the paper-based version, you get, like I said, an extra 10 minutes to transfer your answers. However, if you're on the computer-based version, you do not get those extra 10 minutes. Now, a lot of people are like, well, that's a no-brainer. I should choose the paper-based. You guys have to understand that. On the paper-based, you write on the paper itself first and then transfer. But on PC, you just have to, or computer-based, you just have to write it once and that's it. You do get 2 minutes to review your answers before it's done, but I think for me 2 minutes is more than enough time, especially when I don't have to write all my or the numbers and stuff all over again on the answer sheet. Okay, you guys? Okay, so for each set of questions, again, like we said, we have different types of questions for each section for the IELTS exam. But you guys have to understand that sometimes on top, when asking for a new set of questions, the question itself will have something like no more than 2 words or 2 words and a number. That indicates that the answer must have 2 words and a number. If the answer does not have 2 words and a number, it's wrong. Or if the question, for example, says no more than 2 words, that means that the answer is going to be 2 words, not more. Okay, so if you write 3 words, that is considered wrong. Okay, but keep that in mind. That is really important. So that's about it. This is the listening section for the IELTS, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.